What is the term used for describing the judgmental or common sense part of problem solving? A. Heuristic. B. Critical. C. Value-based. D. Analytical. The correct answer is heuristic. What stage of the manufacturing process has been described as the mapping of function onto form? A. Design. B. Distribution. C. Project management. D. Field service. The correct answer is design. Which kind of planning consists of successive representations of different levels of a plan? A. Hierarchical planning. B. Non-hierarchical planning. C. All of the above. D. Project planning. The correct answer is hierarchical planning. What was originally called the imitation game by its creator? A. The Turing test. B. LISP. C. The logic theorist. D. Cybernetics. The correct answer is the Turing test. Decision support programs are designed to help managers make A. Budget projections. B. Visual presentations. C. Business decisions. D. Vacation schedules. The correct answer is business decisions. Prolog is an I programming language which solves problems with a form of symbolic logic known as predicate calculus. It was developed in 1972 at the University of Marseille by a team of specialists. Can you name the person who headed this team? A. Alain Commeroy. B. Niklaus Wirth. C. Seymour Papert. D. John McCarthy. The correct answer is Alain Commeroy. Programming a robot by physically moving it through the trajectory you want it to follow is called A. Contact sensing control. B. Continuous path control. C. Robot vision control. D. Pick and place control. The correct answer is continuous path control. To invoke the LISP system, you must enter A. I. B. LISP. C. CL Common Lisp. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. DEC advertises that it helped to create the world's first expert system routinely used in an industrial environment, called XCON or APDP-11. B. RL. C. VX. D. Magnum. The correct answer is RL. Prior to the invention of time sharing, the prevalent method of computer access was A. Batch processing. B. Telecommunication. C. Remote access. D. All of the above. The correct answer is batch processing. Seymour Papert of the MIT-I lab created a programming environment for children called A. Basic. B. Logo. C. Mycin. D. Fortran. The correct answer is Logo. The Strategic Computing Program is a project of the A. Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. B. National Science Foundation. C. Jet Propulsion Laboratory. D. All of the above. The correct answer is Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. The original LISP machines produced by both LMI and Symbolics were based on research performed at A. CMU. B. MIT. C. Stanford University. D. RAND. The correct answer is MIT. In LISP, the addition 3 plus 2 is entered as A. 3 plus 2. B. 3 add 2. C. 3 plus 2 is equal to D plus 3 2. The correct answer is plus 3 2. Weak I is A. The embodiment of human intellectual capabilities within a computer. B. A set of computer programs that produce output that would be considered to reflect intelligence if it were generated by humans. C. The study of mental faculties through the use of mental models implemented on a computer. D. All of the above. The correct answer is The study of mental faculties through the use of mental models implemented on a computer. In Lisp, the function assigns the symbol x to y is a set y x, b set y is equal to x, c set y is equal to x, d set y x. The correct answer is set y x. In Lisp, the function returns t if object is a cons cell and nil otherwise. A cons object, b cons object, c egg object, d cas is equal to object. The correct answer is cons object. In a rule-based system, procedural domain knowledge is in the form of a. Production rules, b. Rule interpreters, c. Meta rules, d. Control rules. The correct answer is production rules. If a robot can alter its own trajectory in response to external conditions, it is considered to be a. Intelligent, b. Mobile, c. Open loop, d. Non-servo. The correct answer is intelligent. One of the leading American robotics centers is the Robotics Institute located at a. CMU, b. MIT, c. RAND, d. SRI. The correct answer is CMU. In Lisp, the function returns the first element of a list is a. Set, b. Car, c. First, d. Second. The correct answer is car. Nils Nilsson headed a team at SRI that created a mobile robot named a. Robotics, b. Daedalus, c. Shaky, d. Wax. The correct answer is shaky. An eye technique that allows computers to understand associations and relationships between objects and events is called a. Heuristic processing, b. Cognitive science, c. Relative symbolism, d. Pattern matching. The correct answer is pattern matching. The new organization established to implement the 5th generation project is called a. ICAI Institute for New Generation Computer Technology, b. MIT Ministry of International Trade and Industry, c. MCC Microelectronics and Computer Technology Corporation, d. SCP Static Computing Program. The correct answer is ICAI Institute for New Generation Computer Technology. The field that investigates the mechanics of human intelligence is a. History, b. Cognitive science, c. Psychology, d. Sociology. The correct answer is cognitive science. A problem is first connected to its proposed solution during the __ stage. A. Conceptualization, b. Identification, c. Formalization, d. Implementation. The correct answer is formalization. What is the name of the computer program that simulates the thought processes of human beings? A. Human logic, b. Expert reason, c. Expert system, d. Personal information. The correct answer is expert system. What is the name of the computer program that contains the distilled knowledge of an expert? A. Database management system, b. Management information system, c. Expert system, d. Artificial intelligence. The correct answer is expert system. Claude Shannon described the operation of electronic switching circuits with a system of mathematical logic called a. Lisp, b. Lisp, c. Boolean algebra, d. Neural networking. The correct answer is Boolean algebra. A computer program that contains expertise in a particular domain is called an a. Intelligent planner, b. Automatic processor, c. Expert system, d. Operational symbolizer. The correct answer is expert system. Ambiguity may be caused by A. Syntactic ambiguity. B. Multiple word meanings. C. Unclear antecedents. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which company offers the LISP machine considered to be the most powerful symbolic processor available? A. LMI. B. Symbolics. C. Xerox. D. Texas Instruments. The correct answer is Symbolics. What of the following is considered to be a pivotal event in the history of I? A. 1949 Donald O. The Organization of Behavior. B. 1950 Computing Machinery and Intelligence. C. 1956 Dartmouth University Conference organized by John McCarthy. D. 1961 Computer and Computer Sense. The correct answer is 1956 Dartmouth University Conference organized by John McCarthy. Natural language processing is divided into the two subfields of A. Symbolic and numeric. B. Time and motion. C. Algorithmic and heuristic. D. Understanding and generation. The correct answer is understanding and generation. High resolution, bitmapped displays are useful for displaying A. Clearer characters. B. Graphics. C. More characters. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A bidirectional feedback loop links computer modeling with A. Artificial science. B. Heuristic processing. C. Human intelligence. D. Cognitive science. The correct answer is cognitive science. Which of the following have people traditionally done better than computers? A. Recognizing relative importance. B. Finding similarities. C. Resolving ambiguity. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. In Lisp, the function evaluates both variable and object is A. Set. B. Set. C. Add. D. Eva. The correct answer is set. Which type of actuator generates a good deal of power but tends to be messy? A. Electric. B. Hydraulic. C. Pneumatic. D. B and C above. The correct answer is hydraulic. Research scientists all over the world are taking steps towards building computers with circuits patterned after the complex interconnections existing among the human brain's nerve cells. What name is given to such type of computers? A. Intelligent computers. B. Supercomputers. C. Neural network computers. D. Smart computers. The correct answer is neural network computers. The hardware features of Lisp machines generally include A. Large memory and a high-speed processor. B. Letter-quality printers and 8-inch disk drives. C. A mouse and a specialized keyboard. D. Both A and C. The correct answer is both A and C. In 1985, the famous chess player David Levy beat a world champion chess program in 4 straight games by using orthodox moves that confused the program. What was the name of the chess program? A. Casa. B. Cray Blitz. C. Golf. D. Dig-Dug. The correct answer is Cray Blitz. A process that is repeated, evaluated, and refined is called A. Diagnostic. B. Descriptive. C. Interpretive. D. Iterative. The correct answer is iterative. Visual clues that are helpful in computer vision include A. Color and motion. B. Depth and texture. C. Height and weight. D. A and B above. The correct answer is A and B above. In Lisp, the function x(2x plus L) would be rendered as A lambda x plus asterisk 2xl. B lambda x plus 1 asterisk 2x. C plus lambda x 1 asterisk 2x. D asterisk lambda x plus 2x1. The correct answer is lambda x plus asterisk 2xl. A natural language generation program must decide A. What to say. B. When to say something. C. Why it is being used. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B. Who is considered to be the father of artificial intelligence? A. Fisher Ada. B. John McCarthy. C. Alan Newell. D. Alan Turing. The correct answer is John McCarthy. In which of the following areas may ICAI programs prove to be useful? A. Educational institutions. B. Corporations. C. Department of Defense. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A network with named nodes and labeled arcs that can be used to represent certain natural language grammars to facilitate parsing. A. Tree network. B. Star network. C. Transition network. D. Complete network. The correct answer is transition network.